Okay, so a few months ago, I don't know, maybe 7 months ago, I had done head gaskets on that 4.0, the Discovery 1. I still got a misfire, so I'm going all out. I got new injectors, cap, I got all the O2 sensors, spark plugs, wires, inline filter. I'm gonna go ahead and just start over. I mean, it sounds really good, but I just got a misfire still. It's on cylinder one. I mean, you can still hear the Rover outside running, and but it's just still got that misfire. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pull the fuel tank completely out and I'm gonna clean it. I mean, because the person that I bought this from, it sat for a couple of years, I guess. So right now I'm actually running on old fuel. But I mean, still got a misfire out there, but it doesn't really sound like it's misfiring. I mean, it sounds really good.